How to make a business page on Facebook. To make a business page on Facebook, follow these steps. It is a very simple and easy process, so just follow along. Firstly, open the Facebook app. After that, make sure that you are logged in to your account. Now from the bottom panel, go to the menu section. Here you will see different kind of shortcuts. Click on See More to view all. Here look for the section called Pages and click on it. As you can see here that I have already created a page. If you want to create new, then click on the Create option from the top panel. After you do that, then you will land to a page like this. Select if you want to open a personal profile or a public page. After that, click on Next from the bottom. Select a name for your page. Then click on Next from the bottom. Now select the category of your page. Then click on the option Create at the bottom. Now you will need to select if you want to promote your products or services or you want to create content. Select accordingly and click on Continue. Now there are general information that you will need to provide for your page. You can do this now or skip it for later. Tap on the going back icon at the top left corner so that you can skip for now and fill it later. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.